Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 4 of how to crochet granny square. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to crochet a hard granny square. This adorable pattern is perfect for adding a touch of love to your cozy projects like blankets, pillows or any other crochet creations. I'll be guide you through each step to create this beautiful heart design, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started on making this lovely hard granny square together. For this hard granny square, I'm using the scrap yarn with these two colors, a hook of 3.5 mm, a needle and a scissor. So let's get started by making a slip knot. I will start by using this color. Make a slip knot. You can use any size and any type of hook. Just tighten the knot and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now insert the hook into the chain 1, pull up the loop and pull through. You can see a little hole inside the chain 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This chain 3 I will count as a double crochet. I will make total of 12 double crochets including this chain 3 as a double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 4 space. Now pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the space, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again work total of 12 double crochets. Now I have worked total of 12 double crochets. Now insert the hook into the chain 3, pull up the loop and pull through. So we have total of 12 double crochets. Now skip the stitch in which we slip stitch and skip the next stitch. Now into the third stitch, work 8 triple crochets. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the third stitch and pull up the loop. You have 4 loops, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over twice and work total of 8 triple crochets into the same stitch. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have worked total of 8 triple crochets into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch we will work double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch again work double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch we will work double crochet and triple crochet into the same stitch. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the same stitch work triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we are done with the one side of the heart. Now we will work chain 1 and reverse the stitches or work the stitches in backward to mirror the other side of the heart. Now yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work a double crochet into the same stitch. Now yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work double crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 and into the next stitch work double crochet. Now work 8 triple crochets into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work total of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now work a slip stitch into the last stitch and the chain 3 in between. Work a slip stitch, chain 1 to secure the yarn and fasten off the yarn. Now our heart is formed. Now we will convert this heart into a square. Now I have just completed 2 rounds. Now for the round 3, we will work in 1, 2, 3 into the 4th stitch. We will join the yarn into the 4th stitch. Take the other color and just attach the yarn and tie it. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 as a double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. Now yarn over, work half double crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now insert the hook into the next stitch and work a slip single crochet, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work a half double crochet. Now work a double crochet. Now into the next stitch work triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch work 2 triples. Again work a triple into the same stitch. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, this is our corner. Now 2 triples into the same stitch. Now work a double crochet into the next stitch and into the next stitch work a half double crochet. Now you can see our corner is visible. Now into the chain space work a single crochet. Now on the other side of the heart, crochet the stitches in backward to mirror the other side. Now yarn over, work a half double crochet. Now again yarn over, work a double crochet. Now for the corner work triple crochet. Again work a triple crochet into the same stitch, chain 2 and work triple crochet 2 times into the same stitch. Now work triple crochet into the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, again half double crochet. Now double crochet, sorry, it's double crochet, yarn over, work a double crochet, again double crochet into the same stitch, chain 2 and double crochet 2 times into the same stitch to make a corner. Now half double crochet and we have 2 stitches left, so work double crochet 2 together stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops left, yarn over, pull through all the 3. This is double crochet 2 together stitch. Now into the space between the chain 3 work a triple crochet. Now work double crochet 2 together stitch, yarn over, into the last stitch work a half double crochet. Now into the stitch where the chain 3 emerges, work 2 double crochet into the same, chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 3. Now for the round 4, work double crochet in each stitch all across the square and reach here. This is how a square is formed from heart to square. Chain 3 and work a double crochet in chain 2 space and work double crochet in each stitch into the chain 3. Just don't forget to work double crochet into the chain 3 as we counted it as a double crochet. Work double crochet in each stitch. Now into the corner, work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the same space. Now work double crochet in each stitch. Now into the corner, work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the same space. Work double crochet in each stitch. Now keep going by working double crochet in each stitch. Now into the corner again, work double crochet 2 times, chain 2 and double crochet. Now again keep going by working double crochet in each stitch until you reach the next corner. Now into the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 3 and fast run of the yarn. Now hide the tails. Now I have completed my granny square and I have hid the tails. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making this hard granny square as much as I did. If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our more fun and creative crochet tutorials. I can't wait to see how you use your hard granny square in your project. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Happy crocheting.